Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Ironclad with Slack notifications for approval status. Begin by logging into your Ironclad account. Navigate to the settings page within Ironclad. Look for the integrations section. Select Slack from the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button next to Slack. A pop-up window will prompt you to authorize Ironclad to access your Slack workspace. Sign in to your Slack account if you aren't already logged in. Choose the appropriate Slack workspace you want to connect. Grant the necessary permissions by clicking on the Allow button. Once authorized, return to your Ironclad settings. Now, set up the notification preferences for approval status. Select which types of approvals you want to receive Slack notifications for. Customize the message format for the notifications if needed. Specify the Slack channels where the notifications should be sent. You can also select specific team members to receive direct messages. After configuring your settings, click the Save button. To test if the integration is working correctly, trigger an approval in Ironclad. Check the designated Slack channel or direct messages for the notification. If notifications appear as expected, your setup is complete. If not, revisit the integration settings and troubleshoot as necessary. Regularly review your notification settings to ensure they meet your team's needs. Now you can stay informed about approval statuses directly in Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.